it's Betsy from Cuttin Corners Vinyl in Nederland, Texas, and today we have a fun video for you. I'm going to be teaching you all about our new line that we're stocking by Specialty Materials. This is their PearlFlex line. Now, just to let you know, we are stocking all 12 colors online and in store, and it is amazing. And no, I pay for these. I don't get paid to do these videos. This is just something I like to have, a wide variety of vinyl in our store, and I love anything new. So, what's so special about the PearlFlex is, one, it offers a pearl-like finish. As you can see, it is very, very metallic, very pretty. It's thin and stretchy and durable. So, this is just a plain belling canvas t-shirt. Look, I am stretching that. So it stretches really, really well. It's shimmery and smooth, so it doesn't have that glitter texture, so it's nice and smooth. So, and it works on cotton, uncoated polyester, fabric blends, polyester, acrylic, and similar fabrics excluding nylon. So it is really neat. And as I said, there are 12 colors available in it, and I'm gonna go over the colors now. First one is red. Then we have green. Pink, isn't that pink beautiful? Purple. Black. Clear silver. So if you notice, let's see if you can see through the camera. See how you can see the design of my shirt through that? So you can use this over anything and make it into a pearl color. Hollow silver. So I'm not sure if you can tell, but it definitely has a holographic shine. Hollow yellow. Another gorgeous color. White. The gold, I love this gold. Gold. And last, well, there's two more. Silver, regular silver. And last but not least, the pearl blue. Look at that color. That is stunning. So, you'll cut it just like you do your regular HTV, mirror your settings, 45-degree blade, and if you're not sure what a 45-degree blade is, it's your standard cut blade that comes with your Cricut or your Silhouette or your Brother Scan and Cut. You heat this at 300 degrees for 8 to 10 seconds. You're gonna peel it cool, and you can repress over it. Now, this is machine washable and dryable. You're gonna want to wash it inside out on cold, on a gentle cycle, and then you can tumble dry it. Now, if you'll give me a moment, I'll go over how we put this shirt together. Okie dokie. So hopefully you can see this nice and clearly. I have my stripes laid out, but they are not attached yet. So we're gonna go over color. This is hollow yellow, hollow silver, clear, white, black, purple, pink, green, blue, red, gold, and silver. Now, you do heat this at 300 degrees for 8 to 10 seconds. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start with this corner, and then we're gonna do the top corner, and then we're gonna do the other two sides. This is a medium pressure, 45-degree blade, so your standard blade. You don't need the deep cut blade for this. And you want to peel it when it's cold. So, and we do have all the colors available in store and on our website. They are $6 for the 12 by 19 inch sheet. There we go. And there are some really unique colors. And part of the reason why I did the design like this with the white and the black is because I wanted y'all to see what it looks like, because some of these colors are semi-transparent. Now, you do want to peel this when it is cold, So, I think I can start with this gold one. Yes. There we go. Now for washing instructions, it does say wash inside out, cold water, gentle cycle, tumble dry on low. And this has some stretch to it. So if you like something that has some sparkle but really don't want to use full-on glitter, this is definitely a great option for you. There we go. Look how pretty those are. And I definitely like to show them like this without the clear over it, because that definitely helps you see what it looks like in person. There we go. And there we go. Look how good those look. Now what I'm going to go ahead and do is we're just going to take our heat press or our easy press nail, and we're just going to repress again for just about 4 to 5 seconds. I always like to repress just to make sure everything is good and adhered. There we go. So this vinyl is extremely easy to work with. It looks really good and it's nice and soft. And it does have some real good stretch to it too. So if you'll give me a minute, we'll go over everything we just did. So hopefully you are as excited as I am for this new product line. I think it's fantabulous. Now don't forget, right now our weekly wow sale is our ThermoFlex Plus is on sale for $2.96 a sheet. They're typically $4 a sheet, and that is for the 12 by 15 inch pieces. We just added 9 new colors of ThermoFlex Plus, so I figured we'd do a sale so that way if you wanted to try out any of the 9 new colors, there are some beauties in here. This pink right here, I cannot wait to do something with that fuchsia, and then this new bright pink. Look at that color. I cannot wait to play with that. So they are on sale, and don't forget you have until June the 4th to enter in to win our ginormous scrap box. But I guess that's it, so we'll see you tomorrow, Tuesday, 5 p.m. for our live.